That's what's usual for them. 14th of April 2004. A time is a clock. Now the Philippines. Unfortunately, sometimes we get false calculation.
I understand, Mrs. Julia. Could you suggest some alternative times?
How about the 15th of August 2004? A time in a clock 2 minutes.
Let me check Mr. Budi availability. I guess back to you shortly.
Okay, thank you, Vinita.